This is Weir-Germia and I'm at the Learning Technology Show at Excel, and here I am. As you know, some of you may know that I review LMSs for Captera and other places, but I also want to look at what's happening, what's new for engaging learning. As you know, I'm an e-learning developer. I'm a little bit more than that, but anyway, e-learning developing is the main thing I love to do, because as a trained lecturer and educator for over 25 years, I have seen people who need a blended learning. So way before you had all of these authoring tools, I was using PowerPoint, I was using Word documents with links in it, I was using blogs. So I had the concept many years ago. Maybe I could have been a millionaire, but however, I've had to integrate it for different learning styles, and it's really important that adults, employees, they still have those same challenges, but at work they feel they cannot say anything. They feel that if found out they may lose their job, they may be considered less. Well, I'm here to look at some of the engaging learning techniques that an e-learning developer can use and that a company can aspire to include in their training for their people development. Anyway, this is me signing out, and I will report some of the things that I see. I'm an Articulate 360. I adore Articulate. Beyond, Go Animate, the entire Adobe Creative Suite. You have to use a bit of everything. And one of the big things that I'm a believer in is accessibility. We must allow people with different disabilities and learning styles to be able to access either the transcript, or to have more worded, or to allow their speech to text-to-speech, that's it, technology to be able to read out what you are actually delivering via your engaging learning. And if it cannot understand what you have done, then you may need to change your tabbing and your settings, etc., so that it makes sense and not gobbledygook to your user. Anyway, take care, and I'll be sharing more. This is Weir-Germia from Food Truly Ambitions Limited. Bye!